Hello everybody and welcome to Exponent Rules. Today we're going to be talking about dividing exponents. Okay, so let's start off with the problem. So let's say we are looking at the problem, choose number 4. If we've got 4 to the 5th, and this time we're going to try to divide it by 4 to the 3rd, let's say, 4 cubed. So last video we talked about multiplying exponents, and the rule was that what we ended up doing was we were adding the exponents together. Division, which is the opposite of multiplication, stands to reason that we're going to do the opposite of add, which would be subtraction. So what we're going to do, nice simple step, what we're going to see here, this is very similar to saying, so we have 4 to the 5th. We're actually going to take our two exponents here. So we've got 5 and 3. We can rewrite this as 4 to the 5th minus 3, taking our two exponents. Simple math, it's going to be equal to 4 to the 2nd, which is 4 squared. So another way that you're going to see division questions, let's do one other. So let's say we have 6 to the 3rd. We're dividing it by 6 squared. So we've seen division questions like this before, right? Where you've got a number over another, just like saying 6 cubed. So we've got 6 cubed over 6 squared. Again, we can write this as, so we start with we take the larger number, the number on top, so 6 cubed minus 2, because we're taking that squared, and that's just going to leave us with 6 to the power of 1, which is like saying 6. So here's a bit of an extension question for you. What would happen if these two numbers were flipped? So I wrote 6 squared and divided it by 6 cubed. So what will you do for this? So if you know how to solve this one by yourself, good on you, so I'm going to show you what to do here. Still start with our first number on top. We're going to change my color here, 6 squared. We're just going to subtract the number on the bottom, minus 3. What does that leave us with? It's going to actually leave us with a negative 1. Yes, we can write exponents as negatives. Something that we may not have talked about yet is that if we have a negative exponent, we can make this positive by flipping it. When I say flip, what we're going to do, change back to black here. If I wrote 1 over 6 to the 1, this is the same 6 to the negative 1. If this last part is a bit confusing, you don't need to worry about that. That is just something that you may see going forward. We'll talk more about that later. Thanks.